Thank you for joining us for the Huawei Pura X Max teardown video, part of the Tech Insights teardown video series. As a reminder, you can register for free on the Tech Insights platform to follow along with this teardown and access additional free content, including other videos, insights, and reports from the Tech Insights experts and market analysts. When unfolded, the Huawei Pura X Max dimensions are 167.74 millimeters by 120.11 millimeters and has a thickness of 11.65 millimeters with the cameras. Without the cameras, the phone thickness measured 5.79 millimeters. The Huawei Pura X Max is the only new Pura smartphone announced in April, designed with the Kirin 9030 Pro processor. The Pura X Max also has the smallest battery of the four devices. There are three cameras on the back: a 50 megapixel wide angle with OIS, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 50 megapixel Periscope telephoto camera, also with OIS. The 50 megapixel telephoto camera format is compact, similar to what we recently found in the Apple and Samsung for their respective telephoto cameras. Specifically in regards to Samsung, the new Galaxy S26 Ultra telephoto camera is Samsung's own ALOP design. ALOP stands for All Lenses on Prism and allows for a shorter camera body. The wider display geometry of the Huawei Pura X Max likely required different hinge tuning, load distribution, and neutral axis alignment compared to the Huawei Pura X. Tech Insights has already started the deep dive teardown of the Pura X Max, as well as the Huawei Pura 90 Pro and the Pura 90 Pro Ultra. You can always follow along on the Tech Insights platform with all of the teardowns, as well as the latest reports from our experts.